Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I show you how to do the 3D zoom that is currently trending on TikTok. Subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks. Go to Play Store and download the CAPCUT video editor app. Open the app and click on New Project, which will lead you to your gallery. Select the images that you would like to use and add onto the project. Then reduce the duration of each image. I reduced mine to about 0.5 seconds by moving the white bars. Using the white line, highlight the image and click on Edit. Then click on Style and you will see 3D Zoom. Click on 3D Zoom and wait for your image to be converted into 3D. Do this to all the images. Click on Edit, then click on Style and select 3D Zoom. Wait for your image to be converted into 3D. Confirm all the images have been converted by playing the video. Once you're done, delete the CAPCUT watermark and export your video. Don't forget to add music to your video before exporting. Or you can add music while uploading on Reels or TikTok. Do give this video a thumbs up, share it widely, and subscribe to my channel for more social media tips and tricks.